Tita ko, nag-I love you ka sa taong to. Oh my... Naku, tinatag ako. Alam na alam ko. Oo, alam na alam ko yung mga kabuhayan yung dalawa. O, ba't ka na pa I love you, Edward?
Sa kanta po yun. Tapos, iba yung interpret. I love you, nag-I love you ako sa lahat.
Sure ka ba?
Ano? Gonna be forever. It's gonna be... Ay, hindi! Ano, best friend forever? I love you. I love you so... Hala!
Oh my God!
Hindi kasi... I love you kasi kaibigan kita naman tayo kita kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
I love you. Yes, I do. Believe in you. I do want to share the rest of my life with you. I do promise a love that's true. Never disappoint you. If you should ever be in doubt, know that I will never let you down.
Hindi totoo po talaga.
Ano na-feel mo na nag-I love you si Maymay sa'yo?
Have you heard the song Baliw? Have you heard the song, the full song?
Yeah.
Alam mo yung lyrics?
Oh, baliw.
Hindi.
Baliw na baliw. Ako sa'yo. Mahal. Princess Maymay. Uy, nadunggan. Naman ang message mo kay Maymay kasi kaka-launch lang niya ng album niya.
Ay, grabe, proud ako sa'yo. Because... Hindi niya kaya eh.
You and I were meant to be. God made you just for me. Baby, I'll love you always. By your side I will stand. Walk with you hand in hand. From this day on, our love will stand strong as I declare
That I love you. Yes, I do. Believe in you. I do want to share the rest of my life with you. I do promise a love that's true. Never disappoint you. If you should ever be in doubt, know that I will never let you down.
Oh yeah. She can't look. Ano?
Oh, invite mo na lang sila na mag-aasap chill out kayo.
Yay!
Andito yung viewers. Wala dyan. Ba't ka tingin ng tingin? Andito. Sila ang invite mo, hindi si Maymay.